I have the Apple Watch Ultra here with me today, and I've had it for a few days now, and it's a pretty cool watch, but I wanted to test out how long of a battery life we could get. So I'm going to throw the Apple Watch into low power mode and go on with the rest of my day and see how much battery life we can get. So Apple claims that you can get up to 60 hours of battery life with the Apple Watch Ultra in low power mode. We're going to test that out and see if we can actually get 60 hours of battery life. It is 4:40 p.m. and we are at 98% battery life. I'm about to throw this into the lower power mode. I have a 5-mile run scheduled today. It's a little cold out today. It's 36 degrees, so I don't know if that'll have any effect on the battery life or not, but we'll see how much percentage it goes down on our 5-mile run. So we're at 98%, and we'll see what it is when we get back. Just finished up our run. We did 5.31 miles, 1 hour, 6 minutes, and 40 seconds. We're at 95% now. When we started our run, we were at 98%. We're getting ready for bed now. It is 9:15 and we are at 90% battery. And I did want to mention I am not using cellular on the Apple Watch. I didn't get cellular because I didn't want to pay for the $30 activation fee because I'm not planning on keeping this watch right now. I just am testing it out. I plan on testing the Garmin Fenix 7 or the Garmin Forerunner 955. I don't know which one yet. So yeah, I didn't want to just use cellular for a couple days and pay that activation fee if I wasn't going to keep the watch or plan on getting it in the future. I also don't plan on sleeping with the watch on tonight. I've never really slept with the watch on, and I just don't feel like I can really sleep comfortably. But maybe I'll give it a shot tomorrow night and see how it goes. So we just got around for the day. We're headed to the gym. So since last night, my watch went down to 82%. We were at 91% when we took the watch off last night. I'm a little surprised it went down that much in percentage, considering I didn't wear it overnight, and I still have it on low power mode, but we'll see how it lasts throughout the rest of the day. We're at 76% battery life after our workout. It was a little over an hour. It is 3:31 and we are at 72%. We had the day off from work today, so we took it kind of easy. Just went to the gym, played some Xbox with my buddy, and now I'm editing this YouTube video. At first, I didn't really think that I liked the always on display, but after using the Apple Watch in the normal mode with always on display and then switching over to low power mode without having the option to have always on display, I actually kind of miss it, which I'm kind of surprised by because I was looking for the setting in the watch prior to doing this video, trying to figure out how to turn off the always on display. If you made it this far to the video, comment down below how much more battery life you think I'll get out of the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm down to 69% now, so leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Alright, got the watch back on. We are starting the day with 53%.
I don't know, but that one has to hold that phone there. Woo! You did it, babe!
I just got back from the tree farm. We went and picked out a Christmas tree, and our watch is now at 50%. It is 1:19 p.m. We're at 50% and we're about to head out on a run. I have a 5-mile run scheduled today, but it's pretty cold and windy. It is 33 degrees right now and it's super windy. So I don't know if I'm gonna go on the full 5 miles, maybe at least 3 miles. We'll see what happens when we get out on that run.
I'm gonna lose my mind, might not make it out this time.
Alright, we just finished up 5.35 miles in 63 minutes and 59 seconds. Let's check the percentage on here. We're at 43% now. So after about a little over an hour with the fitness tracking and out here in the cold, We're down at 43%. Just picked up a Prime, needed some quick electrolytes, and we're headed to the gym now. And we're at 39% on the Apple Watch Ultra. Alright, we are going to wrap up tonight. It is 7:51 p.m. and we have 30% battery life on the Apple Watch. We got home, showered up, had dinner after our workout. Our workout was about an hour long. The watch is coming off for tonight. I really can't get myself to sleep with it on. I just don't think I can really sleep with the watch on, so we'll see how the battery percentage is in the morning. Alright, good morning. We just put the watch on. It is 10:24 a.m. and we're at 20% battery life. We don't have much going on today. We're going to do some editing. We have some packing to do. We leave for a trip later today. I don't have any workouts scheduled today, so I have a feeling that we'll probably last throughout today and go into tomorrow with some battery life left. We started with a full battery on December 1st. It was like 4:50, almost 5 o'clock, so it's been over 2 full days today. If we make it past 4 o'clock, well, I'd say more past like 5 o'clock, then we'll have the watch on for 3 days, 72 hours, and that will be past the 60 hours that Apple says that you can get out of the Apple Watch Ultra. But then again, I'm not using cellular. I don't wear it at nighttime, and I don't really use it much throughout the day. I use it for texting, I use it for my activity, and things like that. But other than that, that's really all I use it for. I know some people might use it more. In that case, you'll probably only get 60 hours of battery life or even less. It's been a little bit now since I last picked up the camera. We didn't really have much going on today. There wasn't much to film. We played some Xbox to watch some football. We're actually still watching football. We're watching the Chiefs and the Bengals. It's a good game right now, 24-17. The Chiefs just scored. Anyways, it is 6:30 p.m. and the Apple Watch Ultra is at 11% battery. I'm almost positive that by the time we take the watch off for the night and wake up in the morning, the watch will be dead. So I'm just going to call it good here. The watch lasted over 72 hours, so this is a good gauge to kind of see where the watch would last you if you do more or less on an Apple Watch. And if you want a watch that you don't really need to plug in, for me, I don't mind to plug it in every night. I plug my phone in anyways each night, so it's not that difficult to take my watch off and charge it for the next day. That's going to wrap up today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.